attention to the car behind me. The car owner told me. After parking the car here in the morning, the car won't start. Let me come over and help him take a look. Now let's take a look. What exactly is wrong with this car? Try starting the car first. 3, 2, 1, start up! It really can't be started. Try again. It really doesn't work. What is the reason? Let's go to the front and have a look. It's easy to start a car when it's cold. It's hard to start the car when it's hot. This problem is related to the temperature of the engine. Maybe it's because this part is broken. Right here. It's called a water temperature sensor. It controls the amount of fuel injection according to the temperature of the engine. If there is a problem with it, the car won't start. But this water temperature sensor is new. It's obvious that the car owner has already replaced this part. So I guess it's not the problem here. What else would be the problem then? I suddenly remembered there's another part that's broken. It will also cause the car to have this problem, and most repair shops will ignore it. Come and see. That's it. It's called the intake air temperature sensor. Let's take it apart now. See if it's a problem with it. The disassembly method is very simple. First, remove the resonator box. No tools required. Pull it up with your hands. Look, it's been taken apart. Then put it aside. Second, remove the intake air temperature sensor. First, lift the upper clip. Lift it upward. Then, pull it out with your hands. Okay. Then, unplug this plug at the bottom. It's been dismantled now. I have found the reason. Come and look here. Did you see it? There's so much sludge here. The sensor is wrapped in dirt. No wonder the car can't start. The problem was found. Wouldn't it be easy to solve? Friends, follow me. Find a bottle of detergent. Clean off the sludge attached to it. Take a look. A lot of dirty things. This kind of cleaning agent can be purchased at the dollar store.
Ooh.
Very cheap. Okay, take paper and wipe it clean. Look, after I washed it, it looked like new. Next, let's install it on the car. Come on. Plug it back in first. After aligning the small hole, give it a push like this. Next step, put the plug back in. Okay, install the resonator box again. Okay, all done. Next, we start the car. Look at the effect. Friends, if the car starts successfully, please give me a like. Support my knowledge sharing. Next, show the effect. 3, 2, 1. Start. Success. Try again. Look carefully. 3, 2, 1. Start. Did you see it? The problem is solved. If you have other car questions, leave a message in the comments section.